Yo, it's your girl OG. I'm coming at y'all with part 2 episode of Life at Chanel. Subscribe, alright? Yeah. So, step 1, you definitely want to prime your face, okay? I got some little elf shit there, but my favorite is the shea butter, okay? I'm telling you, that shit make your shit matte as hell. It's the eyebrows for me. Like, seriously. And it helps with your dark spot, ladies. So, thank me later. Put that shit on your lips. Yeah. So, step number 2. I'm going to take my favorite Anastasia eyebrow thingamajiggy. And, first, I'm just going to brush my eyebrows, you know what I'm saying? Because make sure all my hairs is going the right way, you know what I'm saying? Boom, bada, bam. I'm going to trace what I need. So I'm going to trace the outlines. And I'm going to just fill it in with my Anastasia. Fill, brush. Fill, brush. Fill, brush. Make sure that shit all copacetic. You heard? What you do to one side, you do to the other. Trust the process. Okay? So now I'm just going to outline because we all know you got to do that, okay? Now, this is Wavers, however you say it, Palace. So I'm taking this and I'm going underneath my eyebrows, right where I did it, and I'm going to take it and I'm going to go down, because this is also going to serve as the base for my eyeshadow. So my colors pop, okay? So what you do to one side, you do to the other. Break it down. And then on the top, you take a lighter color. I think I'm gonna do it. Hold on, let me see. Okay, blend, bitch. Blend. Break it down. Hey, yeah. Make sure you get all that. I'm telling you, it's really gonna help you. And Wavers Palace is a really good concealer. Now, I'm not a professional, y'all, so what works for me might not work for y'all. That is my disclaimer, you heard? Okay? So, like I said, we're going to take the we're going to take a darker color and mix it with the lighter color for the top. Take a sip of Hennessy. And then we're going to blend. Yeah, trust the process. I had to put my hair in a ponytail because, you know what I'm saying? So I got 2. This is like a little Milani. You can get that shit at like CVS. But my whole thing with that is that if you don't move quickly enough, then it gets like really sticky. So for tutorial purposes, I'm going to stick with the Wavers Palace because I wanted to provide y'all with a really good, you know what I'm saying, outcome. So I'm going to put a little bit underneath my eyes and I'm going to just pat it all in. Pat it. I'm kind of dragging it on my nose, but like I said, I'm not a professional. So boom, and then we're going to take it, pat it right there. Bam. Oh, y'all. All right, boom. So now I did the little outline. Take another shot. Boom. Yeah. And we're going to blend. Now, blending is your friend, okay? Because you don't want to be looking ashy out here. Now, to help you out with this ash, girl, get you some of that, okay? It's satin powder. And a banana rich. Okay? And I'm just going to bake. We're going to let that set. And we're going to let that sit real quick. And while we're going to let that sit, we're going to go in and we're going to contour. So we're going to go in. Oh, my bad. We're going to blend that out. My bad. I'm taking it off. Yeah. Oh, actually, I am putting on a foundation, okay? It's just a foundation that's kind of like the same color because I thought I was looking a little ashy. So I just put on powder foundation. I put that on my blending brush and I just put that on top of my whatchamacallit. So now I'm going to contour, and where it was showing just a little. Now notice I have not put on no foundation, y'all. This is a foundationless makeup tutorial. So now foundation would have been good, but this is just kind of like, you know, some quick little shit. So boom. So yep, everybody has that palette, you know what I'm saying? You can get that shit at the dollar store. Yep, it's really good. So we gonna go dark, and then we gonna cut straight to the hair. I'm just blending that shit. I mean, I'm just curling that shit, y'all. You know, me and my homegirl, we sitting in this bitch getting drunk. Just, you know, this is like a get ready with me. So get ready with me, okay? Period. Back to the Morphe, okay? I fucks with the Morphe. Don't like the name, but hey, I fucks with it, okay? So now I'm just contemplating. That's also Waver's Palace, Waver, however you say it. Yup, that shit. Yup. So right now we're gonna take a dark color and we're gonna go all the way. This is gonna be the base. Hit the blunt. Where's my lighter? Let me go ahead and spark my blunt. So we're gonna take that darker color and that's gonna be our base, okay? So that's the base. You cover that. What you do with one, you do to the other. Boom, bada, bam. And yep, just covering that. Yep. Now this is important too, because this will make your second color pop. So take your highlight and make a crease however you want to do it. I'm not a professional, so I tried. Okay, I tried. Now that I'm looking at you, you're supposed to go a little bit more up, but hey, if it's up, then it's stuck. So now we just gonna take I like gold on me, so I'm gonna do the gold, and boom, slap that right on top of the brown. Put out just like that. Yeah, you see that shit coming together. And so now I don't know if you can tell or not, but that's just a little bit of highlight. I'm just highlighting and blending, putting on my eyeshadow, my eyelashes, and checking with my homegirl, making sure my shit's straight. Boom. Yup. Period, poo. Yep. Okay. Bitch, I'm good. bitch. My shit don't look like it's flying. Because if it's flying, it's flying, bitch. Okay. And period. Now, ladies, don't forget the blush. I forgot the blush. I apologize. I highlighted, but I did not use blush. Now my lipstick should pop in. And this is just a mini makeup get ready with me. Some little quick shit, you know what I'm saying? You could do real quick to just, you know, be cute real quick with your girls. So I hope that y'all like it. If y'all want to see anything more, like a more detailed one, please let me know. Comment and subscribe, okay? Right. Yeah, that was the finished look. Just a little episode of Girl Talk. You feel me?
You feel?
I to get this jacket because it's just, she delicious. You feel me? Like, my homegirl came through with the come through. You know.
Girl, water down the ice cubes.
Yes.
Alright,
cheers to some Girls Talk.
Cheers, y'all.
Yeah.
Cheers to everybody. Cheers.
Alright, so the first topic is mixing new and old friends.
Mixing new and old friends. I love. How you feel about it?
Well, I done had, like,
some friends are jealous of other friends.
Yeah,
you know,
because be like, oh, you known her longer, but you were hanging more around her.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so it just sometimes it don't be a good mix, but
between all friends.
Yeah.
But have you ever had friends that like get together? Like all your different groups of friends all get together?
Yeah, and sometimes it's been successful.
I rock solo dolo, so I'm gonna sit this one out.
Way for real, solo.
Yeah, I mean, I got me some little friends. I'll jump from group to group, but I'm just cool, calm, and cordial with everybody.
You feel me?
I don't be.
Like, I was on
In
this
the
one
mix.
trip.
Yeah, I try. Mind my business.
And it was like me and my homegirl, and then my homegirl type shit. And then it was my other homegirl type shit. But like me and my homegirl was already cool type shit. And so like I was cool with, like, you know what I'm saying, like us three type shit. But then it was kind of like, you know, the other homegirl kind of like didn't know me type shit. So she kind of like,
I hate that shit.
like reading me wrong type of little situation, and it made my original homegirl have me all fucked up.
Which I could feel how they could read you wrong.
Yeah.
Because you're more like upfront and kind of you joke around, but also you can't be judging too quick. Because it took me a minute to talk to her for a little bit. At first she was a little quiet, but I be talking to everybody. I want to break out your shell. Talk to me eventually. So she broke out and she cool, calm, a little crazy sometimes too. But I mean, don't let that smile fool you. But yeah, friends are all good.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Sometimes that shit work out. Sometimes that shit don't. But
do you have friends from like when you grew up?
Yeah, hell yeah, we still friends type shit. We still friends.
Do you?
I have. I
got
mean, I keep in touch.
I grew up with, but I still communicate with.
Okay, yeah, I mean, I keep in touch with people, but mind you, I'm from Cali, so.
But I don't know, like, I don't know, I'm me 24/7. So I could give a fuck if I'm with your friend that you met from the block, or if we done met this bitch together. I just felt like my friend, like, they understand, like, me type shit.
Yeah, they're not gonna be like bad people around them or.
Yeah.
I mean.
And so how my friend having me fucked up, you feel me? It just kind of made me look at her like, damn, bro, like, you know, you kind of like, damn, bro, you kind of had me fucked up.
You rubbed me the wrong way.
Type shit.
Yeah, definitely.
So, sometimes it's not a good idea. I feel like
Keep your friends a little separate. Cause I mean,
Yeah.
I think
Certain
your
ones that
type
you feel
shit.
certain ones, yeah, because you got your friends who may just want to stay in, maybe little pothead friends, your wild friends who are adventurous and need to go out, But you have different sides to yourself and different personality also that portrays to your friend groups. So I mean, you can go from there. Depends what friends you hanging out with, what side's gonna bring me out tonight.
And like, I don't like where it's like, cause I done been in another little situation where it was just like, me and my other friend. She like, shit, let's add this other girl into our little travel plan, and I don't know if we should or shouldn't. Well, if you really about it, why the fuck you want to bring her?
Yeah, and that's the thing.
Like, just let it be the original yin and yang, and let's go do this thing. And you know what I'm saying? Boom, bada bam.
Yeah, and there's always that one friend who be asking, who's coming. I feel like that's when maybe that person shouldn't be invited next time if you were worried about who's going. Just worry about having a good time with your friends.
Exactly.
If there's someone who maybe you not be fond of, do you. I mean, just do you.
Yeah.
I guess I could say.
That's true too. I just hate being like, I don't know, like, I never want to be the friend where I'm like, I can't take shit nowhere. Like, I'm not taking her nowhere with me. Like, she do too much. What's up, y'all? It's your girl OG.
It's your girl, I am Slim Jim.
Am I supposed to say my whole Instagram?
Oh my God, Red. Yes.
Okay, let's do this one more time. So yeah, we do.
We not forced.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl OG.
It's your girl Slim Jim.
Is that your? Okay, let's start over. Edit that. So that's gonna be just raw footage. Just raw.
Give it to me raw.
Straight cutthroat.
Like no condom raw.
Hey, condoms during sex is unnecessary with me.
What, condoms?
Condoms, yes, have to.
Only if you're like not in an entanglement. Because Ain't nobody got time. Like me and my dude, like I think after the first 2 weeks, then we stopped using condoms. But the first
Y'all was in an entanglement in 2 weeks, so it only takes 2 weeks to get in an entanglement.
we was all tangled up.
We do. Oh God.
We was all tangled up.
It only takes 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
That's good
To take it off. At least,
you lasted
at least
longer
I ain't go straight in. You know
Exactly.
what I'm saying? Some go straight in.
You lasted longer than me.
What about you?
It took me one time and then I stopped using condoms with my nigga.
But it's your dude though. It's not like you hopscotching on the dick, right? Like
I have to use condoms.
yeah,
She said we
you
make
definitely have to use condoms.
Yeah.
Because if I don't like the dick, I'm switching up.
She said,
You don't have to.
I'm switching
Run it,
up.
but hey yo, DJ D-Ray, run that dick back. Ain't nobody finna keep sitting on no slow ass dick.
Okay, so I have to. It's just not even
I'm just
a
saying.
if with me. And if I don't, I'm going straight to CVX the next day. Like, yeah.
I just did something I won't post to. You gonna have to tell them, help me help myself.
Okay.
For real, cause y'all, it's getting bad. It's people just aren't trustworthy.
Yeah.
We have to protect ourselves.
That's why everybody has something nowadays.
You only. It's very rare that you find them people that are honest with shit. You know, that are honest, openly honest about if they have a disease or things like that. Like a lot of people feel shamed in telling people, so that's why it be spreading, because they be like, oh, they might not fuck with me or whatever the situation might not be. Instead of
Girl, OG. And this is our fucking Labor Day vlog. Slim getting all fine.
I am trying.
She getting all fine. How do you turn it around? Yeah, you can't turn it around on here?
What, your phone?
Yeah, I guess I gotta record one way. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we got Red over here.
In the
getting
cave?
ready.
Oh shit. I look like shit. You look pretty as fuck. Don't put me on
I'm
there.
gonna make a bag tonight. Like, hey. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Bad bitches only already know what the fuck is going on. Lit shit only, positive vibes only, big tippers only. Hey, ATL, we here. Labor Day
2020.
Hey.
Yay.
Was it bad?
What is it?
Is it bad as they say?
Make it clap, hey. Make it clap, hey. Make it clap, hey. My turn. Oh.